Oh, yeah. Now, this I found really interesting. This was an article in the Sun, but still interesting. That apparently, now, if you're a believer in conspiracy theories, which, as I say, well, I wasn't, I'm starting to believe in him more. But just before the floods in Valencia, so you know that in Spain we had these terrible floods last week. Was it last week now or the week? Yeah, not this last week, but the week before. Apparently, now again, I haven't had time to look into it properly, but according to the Sun, there was some UFO. Now, I have seen a UFO in Spain. Again, this needs a full video of its own, but I think I have anyway. I think I have seen a UFO in Spain, funnily enough. Let's have a look what this has got to say. So it wouldn't... Look, what
Hostia, ¿qué cojones? Es que sí, que sí, ¿qué cojones es eso? Son putos ovnis, hermano.
¡Hostia puta!
Excuse the bad language. If you speak Spanish, you'll know that they were using quite a lot of bad language there, like what the F is this, but in Spanish. What is it?
Oh.
¿Dónde están?
Ahí.
Ahí, sí, se ven. Al final. Estoy grabando uno. Hostia, qué puta pasada, ¿qué coño es eso? Hermano. Luego decís que no existen, hijos de la gran puta.
¿Qué?
Dios, allá al final.
Oh, don't want to watch about that other thing. Yeah, so let's go back to the beginning.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, I don't want to watch about Peanut the squirrel. Gosh. They've trying to try. Was I sharing that? I don't know if I was actually sharing it, but they're trying to take me to Peanut the squirrel being decapitated. I don't want to talk. God, I've had enough of decapitation, to be honest. Right, where am I? So let's go back and find that again. Right, let's have a look again. So what do you think? Do you believe in UFOs?
Hostia, ¿qué cojones? Es que sí, ¿qué cojones es eso? Son putos ovnis, hermano.
¡Hostia puta!
Oh. Or do you think somebody's...
¿Dónde están?
Ahí.
So do you think somebody's made
Ahí, sí,
video,
se ven. Al final. Estoy grabando uno. Hostia, qué puta pasada, ¿qué coño es eso? Hermano. Luego decís que no existen, hijos de la gran puta.
¿Qué?
Dios, allá al final.
Oh, it's going to give me the bloody decapitation again. Right, I've got to stop sharing it because... Hi, Paul. So what do you think? Do you believe in UFOs? Again, needs a longer video to look at because that's the Sun. I don't know if that video is genuine or that video has been made up or whatever. Let's see if I can find it anywhere else on any other news channel. Or maybe I can find it on a Spanish one. Thing is, I think if it's not on the Spanish news channels, I can't see that it can be real. Oh, here's one. news here on the Spanish. Let's have a look. God. Just want to read the article. You can't get to read an article. Oh, God. So, yeah, it's on this Spanish news channel. A video that shows mysterious lights in the sky in Barcelona. So, because Barcelona later, first of all, it was in Valencia, the main floods, etc. But now later, well, you can see the sky. It was just about to have floods there in Barcelona, and that's where this video was taken. So, what do you think? Oh, here's the actual Twitter post.
Hostia, ¿qué cojones? Es que sí, ¿qué cojones es eso? Son putos ovnis, hermano.
¡Hostia puta! Oh,
¿Dónde están?
ahí.
Ahí, sí, se ven. Al final. Estoy grabando uno. Hostia, qué puta pasada, ¿qué coño es eso? Hermano.
Okay, so let me know what you think. I've got to go now. Yeah, well, it is a big city, Sefi, Barcelona. So, yeah, probably there should have been other videos. But anyway, just to let you know, about it was interesting. So the only thing I haven't got around to covering is the fire at Sydney Airport. So I'll cover that later. I've got to go. But thanks for watching. And remember to leave your DNA on the like button. I'll see you really soon in the next video. And until then, may your God go with you. Bye.